Can you spot all the different forms hidden in this painting? At first glance, September 53 Balearic looks purely abstract, a careful arrangement of lines, planes, and muted tones. But look closer and you'll begin to see the shapes emerge. A jug, a goblet, a vase, a cup, all delicately perched on a tabletop. Ben Nicholson loved to blur the line between abstraction and representation, and here these fragmented, still life forms seem to hover and merge like notes in a musical score. They feel weightless, as if they're free from being bound to a specific time or place, and instead are continuously on the move. The composition feels at once precise and spontaneous by Nicholson, both structured and yet unfolding before our eyes. Its colour palette is earthly and subtle, yet nearly monochrome, until your eyes land near the top centre, where flashes of red, yellow, purple and black break through like refracted light from a window, animating the scene with a refined energy. Compared to Nicholson's paintings from the 1940s, this work is more linked to music and architecture. It has a self-contained rhythmic and symphonic arrangement. There is no sweeping landscape behind, or any specific ceramic details, but instead there's a focus on pure balance, space, and organic form. Still life was a lifelong preoccupation for Ben Nicholson, and one deeply rooted in family tradition. He grew up watching his father, William Nicholson, paint more traditional still life scenes, which were precise, intimate, and beautifully observed. Ben inherited his father's discipline, but he made the genre entirely his own. Whereas William sought order and calm, an ode to classical European still life painting, Ben embraced modernist freedom, flattening space, dissolving edges, and letting material objects become ideas. In September 53 Balearic, Ben's mission of transformation in painting is complete. The still life, once solid and familiar, becomes something ethereal and musical, part object, part architecture, part pure thought.